Full automatic manufacturing bubble paper packaging equipment. Custom length and quantity, according to the product fast output needs of the package length. Automatic made of bubble paper. Intelligent, efficient, improve working efficiency. The bubbles are perfectly shaped. Super load-bearing capacity. For the packaging of products, not only a strong degree of protection, and also beautiful. Bubble paper is made of craft paper. Strong pressure and environmental protection. Recyclable. For inside box void fill, makes good cushioning protection and shock absorption.